Hello everyone, welcome back to the Statistics Bio 7. In this episode 31, we will learn how to perform a two-way analysis of variations using MedCalc software. What is the two-way ANOVA? And the two-way ANOVA is used when one continuous dependent variable is influenced by two independent categorical factors. And the two-way ANOVA is commonly used in biomedical and life science research to analyze for the drug dose, hint, gender, treatment with the time, and the antibiotic with bacterial strain. So here the analyzed for the data set we take for the two independent variable for the first one for the treatment. Three different drug category we take drug A and drug B and drug C. And the next one for the independent variable is a gender. We take the male and the female. And the dependent variable for the systolic blood pressures. So we take for the data for 3 time replications in the each one the male and the female for the drug A. And also the same for the drug B, 3 male and the 3 female replications value. So the now analyzed the two-way ANOVA in MedCalc software. Go to the top menu, select for the statistics options, then selected for the ANOVA, then selected for the two-way analysis of variations. Then open the new tab for the two-way ANOVA of analysis. First one for the dependent variable data, selected for the systolic blood pressure. So select systolic blood pressure and the factor A, choose for the first one independent variable for the treatment. So choose for the treatment and the next one the factor B, the selected for the another one independent variable for the gender. So the filter is a leave the checkbox because our the data set is a now analyzed for the group categories. So another one for the right side of the menu, the residuals, the test for normally distributed. So these options choose for the two-way ANOVA and the small data set, the best analyzed one of the options for the Shapiro-Wilk test and the Shapiro-France test. This is used for rarely used in the biomedical research field. And de-angosto parameters, that also the test for the less powerful and the Kulmero-Sumiro test also. And the high square test for the not suitable for the this data set. So choose for the first one for the Shapiro-Wilk test in the residual options. Then click to the OK button. So now the data analyzed in the two-way ANOVA. So the first one for the dependent variable for the systolic blood pressure and the sample size for the total 18 samples. So first one the table of the Lavens test for the equality of error variations. So the F value 0.41 and the degrees of freedom 1 value 5 and degrees of freedom 2 value 12 and the P value 0.83. So the test of the between subject effect, the treatment, gender, treatment with the gender and residuals. So the sum of square of the treatment value 444.11 and the gender 304.22 and gender with treatment 14.11 and the residuals value 17.33. And the another one for the table the treatment 1, the estimated the mean value the treatment for the drug A, number of the samples 6, the mean value 126 and the drug B 132 and drug C 138. The pairwise comparison for the drug A and drug B, the mean value -6 and the drug A, drug C -12 and the positive value present for the drug B with the drug A 6.16. At that same the minus value for the present in the -6 for the drug B and drug C. So the A for the P value, so the significance value boniferi correlated. So and the gender for the estimated the mean value, then samples for the 9, the mean value 128 and the male value 136. The pairwise comparison for the female with male, the mean value minus 8.22 and the male with the female 8.22. And the treatment with the gender, they estimated the mean value for the drug A and the female. So the number of the sample is 3 and the mean value 123, and drug A, the gender for the male, the 129, and the drug B, the male, compared to the 128, and the drug B is a male, the mean value 136. So summary statistics of the dependent variable, the systolic blood pressure mean value 132.11, the standard deviation 6.77. So the residual, the table of the Shapiro-Wilk test W is equal to 0.90 and accepted normality P is equal to 0.0684. And the another one for the multiple comparisons graph options, the click to the options, the open the new tab, the data already for the systolic blood pressure and the factor for the treatment with the gender. So choose the best one for the Two-Way ANOVA in the graph options. The box and whisker is a best. So the click the OK button, the graph is ready, the cluster the multiple comparisons graph. So the few customized options only, and the first one for the hide the grid line and selected for the male box plot, right click format box plot and whisker, choose for the fill the color and border color. So the click to the OK. So the border color only the line for the gender options. So next one for the female, change to the color and the border color change, then OK. So now the change different border. So the green color is a female and the black color the border of the male, and the XH is present for the drug A, B and C, and the systolic blood pressure in the present the Y-axis the value. And if you any doubt on this video, leave me comments in the comment box, and the interpretation and the graph explanation I will explain for the website page. That page link also mentioned to the this video description box. If you like this video, click to the subscription button, and thank you for watching this video.